Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how to use duplicates in Pokemon Pocket. In order to do so, here we are in Pokemon Pocket, and what we're looking for is in our deck. If you go to the deck and you sort by duplicates, you can see here that I already have them sorted by duplicates. Then what you're going to find is that your deck is going to be sorted by your duplicates from low to high. So we're going to go all the way down here to the bottom. And you could see that I have a variety here of duplicates. And what you can do with the duplicates is you can use them to buy flair. So let's first take a look at this one here. And if we select obtain flair here at the bottom, then you could see that flair can be obtained by exchanging the following items, duplicate cards, and shine dust. So here you can see that we don't quite have enough cards to exchange this for a flair. So let's go ahead and just go back here, and we're going to take a look at this next one. And you can see with this one here that we only need 2 cards to exchange, but we do need 80 shine dust. And I have plenty of shine dust. So we're going to go ahead and exchange 2 cards and 80 shine dust in order to obtain some flair. Okay. So there you go. We have now traded in 2 cards in order to get some flair, and you can see now that if I play this card, it's going to have all these cool sparkles around it. And that's basically what you can do with duplicate cards, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.